Hey friends, I want to share with you a couple of styling tips that may be useful to you if you are new to wig wearing and maybe new to human hair and you are uncertain about how to make it look really realistic, especially a human hair wig that's wavy, that you've worn a number of times, it's between washings, and the curls need just a little bit of help. I will apologize in advance. I'm terrible about thinking about doing this before I do it, so it's an after the fact video, but hopefully it'll still be helpful to you. So this was really kind of frizzy and straightened a little bit. You know, like I said, I'd worn it in an updo, I'd worn it down, I'd worn it clipped. It's probably been worn 7 or 8 times since I last washed it. So what I did this morning is I took my mister bottle. I love this from Amazon. I can link it or send you a link if you'd like, but this thing is amazing. The reason I like it so much is because it just gives off a mist. It doesn't soak the hair. If I really want to soak the hair, I have another regular spray bottle that I use for that. And so I misted it all around. And then I used this stuff right here. It's the glare. Let me turn off my ring light so you can see this. This is Dad Climate Control. It's a little gel, and this is just a travel size, and it lasts forever. While the hair was still damp, and I'll just demonstrate it even though I've already done it, I just took a little bit on my hand and I rubbed it in, and while the hair was still damp, I just squeezed it in to try to help encourage these waves to come back. If I wanted this super wavy, I'd get it really wet. I'd do all the curly girl things. I'd use a diffuser, but I just want this to be a casual, messy, wavy look. And for me, the Dad and the spray bottle, that's all I needed to do. And because this is a very front heavy wig, I just took some of this in the front here. I just pulled some of it back and I did a little bit of a twist, and then I pushed it a little bit so I'd get a little lift there. And then I just took a claw clip and I clawed it. I clamped it in. That one I didn't get quite right because this doesn't have any open wefting. I need to pull some other hair into it so that it will hold it up. But that's really all I did with the hair. Now this one has a silk top, so I don't need to do anything with the parting space on this one because it's perfect. But the front here, I think I might have gotten a little makeup on the lace and it was looking a little dark and dirty. And so what I did to fix that, and I think it looks great now, is I took some of my just old loose face powder that I save for just using with my wigs. It's lighter than my skin tone, and I take this brush that I love and then I just put it all on the lace just like this. So I put it on the lace all in the front, and I just make sure I get it all the way across, and in some places it's going to show up because we're going to use a spoolie to blend it in. But so I took that, and then I just took a makeup spoolie, and then I just went like this. Be gentle, you don't want to be hard on this lace, but I just sort of helped work that into the hair. And I can't really see, but that's really all I did. Another reason I love the spoolie trick is it really helps get those knots a little bit loosened if they sort of got stuck in place. It also can help if you have any little hair sticking out of the lace there that makes it look funny. You can just loosen that up as well. So that is all I did. Spray bottle, Dad Climate Control, a little makeup which completely made the lace front invisible, and a spoolie. And now I'm ready to go. Hope this helped.